Welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today I want to share these maple fire wings. Start off with 10 whole wings. Look how big these are. Wow. Clean wings by removing excess fat and feathers. Once that's done, rinse with fresh water. Just pour it off, and making sure we rinse away all the meat, feathers. And then we'll repeat the process, but this time we'll add a tablespoon of vinegar. Ooh, I'm still finding some more excess fat, making sure I get rid of all of that before we prepare the meat. Cut each wing in the joint, so now we have 20 pieces. And I don't know if you're a drums or flats kind of gal, but as you can see, these drums have some excess meat from the breast. You can just remove those and save it for another recipe. Look at that. They're all shaved and cleaned. For your seasoning, you'll need 2 tablespoons of hot wings, 1 tablespoon of paprika. I prefer smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. That's homemade. And go ahead and just mix it all in. Once you're finished mixing, set aside to marinate for at least 3 hours. Let's prepare the dredge. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and the hot wing seasoning you used earlier. Add a pinch of black pepper. Mix it all together. Now, just toss your seasoned wings into the seasoned dredge. Make sure you coat each of them. Check your heat. Make sure it's hot. Add your wings one at a time. Be careful now. Fry each wing 5 to 8 minutes. Look at that golden brown. Remember to drain all the excess grease. Now, let's make our sauce. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of cinnamon whiskey, and just whisk briskly. Now, add some green seasonings, whisk it in, and allow it to simmer on a low flame for about 5 minutes or thereabout. Look at that. Pour it over your wings and toss. Make sure each wing is coated in this delicious sauce. And there you have it. Maple fire wings. These were so delicious. I was surprised at how good it turned out. It was even yummier when paired with this delicious mac and cheese. I'll share the recipe for that soon.